So we are on our way back. It's about probably another 5 kilometers or so. So we made it to the pictographs. But today's just been an amazing day. It's just been the perfect day for a hike in the stein. And unfortunately, Gage had to stay home. He wouldn't have done this hike. I feel really sad without him today, but I will incorporate him in this video. Gagey. Yes. So Shannon and Tracy are here. We're just walking through the rock slide. Pretty cool. See all that? There's a river down there. There's always something to look for. But we haven't seen any wildlife. And except for Coda. We have Coda with us. He's doing great. He's such a good boy. I have to keep my eyes on the trail here because have a look.